John Brown is an internationally known historical figure. And Osawatomie and John Brown Memorial Park have attracted two presidents, Theodore Roosevelt and Barack Obama. Theodore Roosevelt came when he was running for president. He gave a speech called the New Nationalism speech. And when that speech outlined his platform, and it is one of the classic speeches of political science. Even today, it is studied. And another president was studying it in 2011. And he said, you know, this is exactly where I want to stand. He said, and he says, let's go and let's do a speech in Osawatomie, where Theodore Roosevelt gave his speech in 1912. President Obama came out and gave his speech at Osawatomie High School and attracted a huge crowd. And Theodore Roosevelt came here in 1912 and attracted a really huge crowd of around 15 to 30,000 people to hear him speak here in John Brown Memorial Park at the dedication, during which he said two lines about John Brown and most about his presidential platform.